Sorry for the voice, but I try to explain in short. We've been working a lot. The guys are doing really good. I think you are really committed to serve hard and get the chances on the things you have in transition. So I'm very happy and very proud of them because you work as a team since from the first point. We knew it, we had a plan and we follow. And even if we have to do some changes, we did. We adjust with the team, especially on this third set. Even if they made adjustments there, you get a big distance, and then they get super close in what the intention they had to make to minimize also our spikers. But we adjust on the right moment, so I'm happy for that. And the tournament is just beginning.
Thank you, Coach. And Bella, you scored 11 points and 14 excellent digs sa game na to. Siguro ikaw personally, ano yung masasabi mo sa naging performance, especially sweep tong victory na to against Signal?
Yun nga po, sa training pa lang talaga, pinagtatrabahuan na po namin, like nagpre-prepare na kami kung ano yung dapat namin gawin for this game. And I'm very happy kasi na-apply namin yung game plan namin for ngayong game. And talagang hindi lang siya individual effort. I mean, team effort talaga yung nangyari. And talagang nagsuportahan, hindi lang naman in terms of points. Siyempre, like sa mga other skills pa ganyan sa team. I'm very happy kasi nagbunga po lahat ng pinag-trainingan namin this past 10 days.
Thank you. For some questions.
Bella, the last time na nanalo yung Capital One via sweep ay last year pa, very first conference. So, congrats on your win. Is this a good sign? Or is this a sign of good things naman para sa Capital One?
Opo, for me talaga, this is a good sign na paunti-unti na nagje-gel din yung team and yung sistema talagang nakukuha na. And ayun nga, medyo meron pa namang next game. So I'm very excited kung ano pa yung pwede namin ma-improve and madala next game.
Coach, what sort of adjustments did you make over the past few days, I guess, leading up to this game against Signal for you guys to get this win?
Yeah, you had the two first matches. You're really good at receive, and our side out was really up. So our problem for us, our assessment was the transition. So we work a lot on transition. But on the last match, we also get super low on receive and of course in our side out. So we have to try to balance because we are really good on the first part, but not on the second. And then make this kind of adjustment, and also our block is already touching, so making more possibilities for us to play with the wins that we have.
Then yun nga, Bella, double-double for you. Kulit ngayon sa game nito. Siguro, ano ba nakikita mo pagdating sa depensa na parang mas totok ka din doon na makatulong para sa team?
Kasi parang ever since naman na naglaro ako, talagang nag-focus ako sa defense since hindi ako ganun katangkaran. So mas nadadalian akong basahin yung kalaban lalo na pag pumapalo sila. And siguro isa na rin siyang advantage for me kasi mas natutulungan ko yung team like to guide yung defense namin sa likod since syempre malaki yung sakop din namin as a sweeper. And I'm very happy kasi every time na nakukuha namin, syempre hindi lang ako, pag nagdidig namin yung bola, talagang natuturn namin into a point.
Bella, yung second set, ang layo ng hinabol ninyo ng 6 points, I believe yung lamang ng kalaban. So paano nyo lang nilala yung mga sarili nyo sa loob ng court para makahabol?
Ginagawa po kasi namin yung sa training na parang dikit yung games, ganyan, and maghahabol kami. And kanina naman parang sabi namin na hanggang hindi pa nag-25 yung Signal, may chance pa kami may panalo yung set. And ayun lang, kinapitan lang po namin at ginawa lang namin yung like, responsibility namin as a player. And ayun, nahabol namin and thankfully napanalo pa namin yung set na yun.
Coach, your next game will be against Choco Mucho, a replay of the first match. So how will this win help you guys heading into that game?
Well, they are totally different, not because of the import, but also because they have 3 matches already. So they are just a team, and also our team will do the same. So I think it's a big opportunity to make that 6 point that was the difference become that it's already a new match. It's a new game, a new opportunity to us.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Bella.
Thank you, Bob.